So this is pretty much a visual representation of how I feel today. It's been an emotional day for me. I'm just reflecting on the fires happening in Australia and feeling helpless and trying to help at the same time. But yeah, this is really what I feel like. I feel like this one is good and this one's also good. But I figured making a video would cheer me up. So let's demold these and see what the hell is going on with them. Alright, I'll go with this one. This is the most normal looking one. So solid demold. This, my friends, looks like Slimer from Ghostbusters. Oh, that's nasty. I feel like the color could be done right, but just like the thickness of this is just making it look unappetizing. Okay, next one. This one I think I want to go with. Wow. Unremarkable. Oh my god. Now, I like the navy coloring. That's nice at least. And this little mushroom shaped window is pretty good. Yeah. What does this remind me of? Definitely like a creature. Like a bubblegum creature. I don't know. This one's awful. And these are gonna be, they look like little candies. Like little candies got melted. And this actually happened because I guess when resin is sitting in a cup, the most concentrated amount of heat would be in the middle. So it started solidifying from the middle out, which is pretty interesting to witness that. But yeah, don't do this if you can. It's just a waste of resin, but a fun experiment. Wow, this is actually the most interesting piece. If it wasn't for this lovely fish guy, this is pretty nice. I think I could recreate that technique. Rest in peace. Oh my god. It feels so nice though. Like the texture just feels like ice. Wow. It looks like a frickin' scrambled egg from the future. Not the future, maybe like another dimension. Yikes. Well, I hope you learned something from this, because I certainly did. And sometimes it's good just to critically fail so you know how not to do it, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and made you laugh. I know it made me feel better today. The craft process is not always perfection, not always what people show you what it looks like, so people often get discouraged because they see all these perfect, pristine results, you know, and it's oftentimes a lot of trial and error. And I don't want people to miss out on like such a great joy of getting something beautiful just because they're, you know, scared of failing, because it's a process and happens to everybody. So make sure you subscribe. I have other videos as well that maybe have better results. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I hope this video made you laugh or cry or both.